Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss some important and interesting questions of quadratic equation. Although in previous videos also we have discussed so many questions from this topic of quadratic equation. So we'll do some more question in this video today. The question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the fields. So first of all, try to understand the question. The question will be more clear with the help of a simple diagram. Let us draw a rectangle here like this. Suppose ABCD is a rectangle and AC is its diagonal. And let us take the shorter side, BC is X. So you see here, diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. 60 meters more, this diagonal. It means AC is X plus 60 meters. And then the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. This is longer side, this is shorter side. So this will be 30 meters more, means X plus 30. So finally, this is the figure of a rectangle and we have to find the sides of the field. So if you find out the value of X, you can get easily X and X plus 30, which will be shorter side and longer side respectively. So, you know, in this rectangle, this angle is 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So by the Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, you know, sum of the squares of two sides means x square plus x plus 30 whole square is equal to diagonal square. So x plus 60 whole square. So we will get a quadratic equation after solving this expression. Clear? So this is very clear that we have used Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ABC. Okay. Now let us simplify it. Or x square plus x square plus 60x plus 900 is equal to x square plus 120x plus 3600. Correct? Now further we have to simplify. This x square will be cancelled out of the x square in right hand side. So we will get here x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0. Next step, or x square. So here 60x and minus 120x. After simplifying these two terms, we will get minus 60x and 900 and here minus 3600. So this is minus 2700. This is equal to 0. So now we have to solve this quadratic equation. The quadratic equation, after simplification, we are getting this one. And after simplifying this quadratic equation, we will get the value of x. So we will get the length of shorter side and x plus 30 will give us the length of longer side. So this quadratic equation can be solved by any method. By factorization method, or by completing the square, or by quadratic formula. So let us try to solve this question. So let us use here factorization method. So in this method we have to split up this middle term minus 60x into two parts, so that after addition or subtraction it should remain minus 60x as it is, and after multiplication of these two parts we should get product of first and last term, means x square minus 2700 means 2700 x square. So you can split up this middle term minus 60x very easily. You see, this is x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. You see, this is very easy to understand. After simplifying these two terms, you will get the same value, minus 60x, there is no change. And after multiplying these two terms, we are getting minus 2700 x square, which is equal to the product of first and last terms. So this breakup of the middle term is correct. Now, you can take x common from first two terms. So x, and here in bracket x minus 90, and we can take 30 common from these two terms. So 30 is common, and here x minus 30 will be common. So remaining part is here 90. This is equal to 0. Correct? Or you see here these two expression in the bracket x minus 90 is common. So let us take x minus 90 common from these two terms. So you are getting x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now here product of two linear expressions is 0. It means either this part is 0 or this part is 0. Whenever x minus 90 will be 0, you will get x is equal to 90. And whenever x plus 30 will 0, you will get x is equal to minus 30. But you see, since x is the length of the side of a rectangle, so it cannot be a negative number. So this is not acceptable. So finally, we are getting value of x is 90. This is the length of the shorter side. So therefore, length of shorter side is equal to x is equal to 90 meters. And the longer side is x plus 30. So longer side is equal to x plus 30, means 90 plus 30 is equal to 120 meters. So these are the answers. Shorter side is 90 meter and longer side is 90 plus 30 means 120 meters. So we can solve the quadratic equation very easily by forming quadratic equation with the help of this statement, with the help of this question, and finally after solving it we will get the result. Now let us see next question. Here this question is, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So first of all, try to understand this statement and we will make a corresponding quadratic equation. So first of all, let us suppose that a smaller number is x. Let a smaller number is equal to x. Now see, the square of the smaller number means smaller number is x. So its square is x square. So the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. It means larger number will be, larger number is equal to x square by 8. Try to follow it. If you take a larger number x square 8, then clearly the square of the smaller number is 8 times because smaller number is x. So therefore square of smaller number is how much? X square. If you have taken smaller number is x, so its square is x square. And this square of smaller number is 8 times of the larger number. So you can suppose larger number is x square by 8. So clearly x square is 8 times of x square by 8. I hope you have understood it. Correct? Now you see the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. So this is larger number and this is smaller number. So difference of squares of two numbers is 180. So according to this question, we can write larger number square minus smaller number square is equal to 180. Now we have to find the two numbers. Correct? So by solving this expression, you will try to get value of x. That will be value of smaller number. And if you find value of x, then you can get larger number by calculating x square by 8. So now let us simplify this part. Simplify this expression. Now for the convenience, let us put x square by 8 is equal to y. So this term becomes y square and minus, you see, x square by 8 is y. So x square is equal to, by cross multiplication, we can write here 8y. And this transpose this 180 to left hand side, minus 180, this is equal to 0. Correct? Now let us try to factorize this expression. So we can write here, this is y square minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. So you try to split up this middle term in such a way that sum and difference will remain same. 10y minus 18y is equal to minus 8y, first part. And secondly, the product of these two terms, which we are getting here, how much? 180y square. This should be equal to product of first and last term. Here also product is 1 minus 180y square. Clear? Okay, fine. Now let us proceed. Or here we can take common y from first two terms. Y is common, y minus 18, and in next two terms we can take 10 common, y minus 18, this is equal to 0. Correct? Now y minus 18 is common in these two terms, so we can take y minus 18 common and y plus 10 is equal to 0. So here product of two linear expressions is 0. So either this part is 0 or this part is 0. So whenever y minus 18 is 0, when y minus 18 is 0, you will get y is equal to 18. And when y plus 10 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 10. So we are getting two values of y here. One is 18 and another is minus 10. But y is how much? Y is x square by 8. So x square by 8 is equal to, we have got either 18 or minus 10. But this minus 10 is not acceptable because in this case x square will be minus 80. So square cannot be a negative number. You understand? So therefore we can take value of y is equal to 18 only. So by solving it, you can get value of x. So x square is equal to 800 into 18. And therefore x will be, you are getting here 9 into 16. So 3 into 4. This is equal to 12. This is value of x. And what we have supposed value of x? This is a smaller number. So therefore a smaller number is equal to x is equal to, we have got 12 here, value of x is 12, and larger number is x square by 8, means 12 square by 8. You simplify it, this is 12 into 12 by 8, so we have got the answer here. This is 12 and 18. This is a smaller number, this is larger number. So in this way, by expressing the given statement, given question in the form of quadratic equation, we can solve it and you will get the answer easily. So in this way, you can do other problems also, and I hope that you have understood these solutions very well. Although I will advise you to do some more practice for a better command in this topic. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you might have subscribed my channel and you will get notification of next video very soon. Thank you very much.